Yeah, there's a I posted on Twitter a couple days ago that there would be a possible game unboxing or electronics unboxing. Here it is. This is a Vivitar camera. I just got to go and do an unboxing of it. As you can see here, it's a camcorder. Sorry, not a camera. You know, as it says on like all cameras not stored in garbage. So it's very dangerous. As you can see, upload to Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever, and so it has a built-in USB cord, so that's pretty handy. Because I was just thinking about that. I should probably get a USB cord to get it, but no, I already got it. No, it's already built in with. So without further ado, so I'm about to do an unboxing of it right now. But to try to unbox it, so to say. I already put like a little cut in it with the scissors, so I can make it easy before I started recording. So it can make it easy for me just to open it. So, the thing about this plastic is like it is very sharp. Like 4 manuals too. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. As you can see here, I forgot it came with a image manager. Let me look at that later. But as you see the camera, hold on. Oh, no, no, sorry. As you see, you got the USB cord right here. This is where you put, wait a minute. You know, every camera has this. I'm about to equip this later. The USB cord make it easier for me to upload it. Like I said, so it's Vivitar Experience Image Manager compact disc. I knew it came with something like that, but I never really like it was. Here it is, the camera. It feels kind of weird actually. Wait about it. Sorry. Button, power, your menu or whatever. Mode, menu, sorry. Built-in microphone. I've never heard of Vivitar before. I've never heard of them. I see the USB port right here. Sorry, my thumb was in the way. And this is where you hook it up, the AV cable and put whatever right here. And I believe this is where the memory card is stored. If I figured out all that later. This is easy guide. I'm not gonna go through all the instructions. This is just like a little short video, just to touch it. Short video. This is how to use it. I have to zoom in. So and this is it says please do not return to store. If you have any problem with this camera for please call our technical support number 800. Not gonna show the number. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Vivitar camcorder. I'll probably do another part of it later. Let's make this quick one. So kind of excited. So see you guys next time. Maybe. There's something else before I wanted to sign off. I wanted to say. I just can't remember what it was. See you next time until I remember. Sorry. Well, acting. A little while. Sorry. I'm just so tired right now. Alright, look, see, there it is. Wait a minute. See, there's the USB. Kind of scared me when I popped it out. But here's how you do it. There it is. Put it back in. That's that. See, then put it in. See. Yeah, that's how the USB was. I was wondering where it's at. So this isn't the USB. This is the AVHD cable hooked up to the TV. I'm about to unbox that, untie it. Alright. I'm so sweaty. So as you see on the top right here, I believe this is where you. Wait. Wait a minute. That was where you. That's where you put the cable or whatever. Oh, maybe right here. So see you guys next time. So that's pretty much it. You know, HD, upload to YouTube, Facebook, share images on Twitter with your friends or whatever. So that's it for now. Like I said, so that was the unboxing recording. I'm definitely. So I won't be using my PSP camera anymore. I'll be using this. So see you guys next time.